lunchtime walk. We're coming up on a bench where a homeless man is sleeping nearly every time I pass him. He's coming back now on the right, in shorts, walking towards us. He'll probably freak out if he sees what I'm doing here. We're approaching one of the most popular pizza parlors in New York City. There is always a line of tourists waiting to get in. The line today is pretty short. We're coming up on the River Cafe with the waterfall falling directly behind it. This is one of the prettiest spots in Brooklyn. Notice that big tall Woolworth building that looks like a wedding cake? Great building. Look closely, you can see all 4 waterfalls from this small area. There's one. Now the one on Governor's Island seems to be flowing again. There's the Statue of Liberty, far more impressive. Lower Manhattan skyline. There's the South Street Seaport. Awful place. Once again, the Woolworth building. Brooklyn Bridge pan. And now you can see 2 waterfalls. One to the left, which is just beyond the Manhattan Bridge, and one to the right, which is directly beneath the Brooklyn Bridge. I don't think you can get physically closer to any of the waterfalls than you can this one. If the wind gets too strong, they turn the waterfalls off. What I like best about this Sudden Park is the installation of the porta potties. My bladder isn't what it used to be. So being able to take a leak on my long lunchtime walk is quite a benefit. This is St. Anne's Warehouse. Very hip and happening theater. I love this carousel. Never seen it work before though. We're coming up on a famous chocolatier, Jacques Torres, I don't know, it's good. Expensive, but the Powerhouse Arena is here on the corner. Great bookshop and exhibition space. DUMBO, down, D, under, U. Manhattan, M, Bridge, B, O. What does the O stand for? Overpass? Who knew Brooklyn was so green? Tourists. More tourists. It's funny how I always adapt to the perspective of my current reality. Very dangerous to be in the right lane here with these bicycles coming flying at you. If I were on a bike, I'd be flying at the pedestrians. But many times on this walk, bicyclists get a little bit too aggressive, even for my taste. Look at that skyline. Truly the capital of the world.